Do you have zucchini coming out of your ears? It's time to make zucchini cornbread casserole. Let's make it. In a bowl, you need 3.5 cups of shredded zucchini. I just did it in the food processor. So easy. 1 chopped white onion, a cup of cheese, a can of drained corn, a can of mild green chilies. You could also use jalapenos if you like. 2 eggs, teaspoon of garlic powder, teaspoon of cumin, salt, pepper, and mix that together. Then I'm going to slowly mix in a box of Jiffy corn muffin mix until fully combined. I'm going to pour this in a glass baking dish, and then you top that with another cup of cheese. And now I'm going to bake it in a 350-degree oven for about 50 to 55 minutes. It looks so beautiful. And here it is, zucchini cornbread casserole. Whoa. I love it. Great way to use your zucchini. I could taste the onion, love the cheese. It's absolutely perfect. And it's very comforting as well. Why do onions lock their doors when they study? To make sure they're uninterrupted.